Dear Donya.
Hello everyone! It's my first time to make a beauty vlog and I decided to unbox this LED Facelift Wand by Love K Derma. Ito, binigay sa akin ng boyfriend ko last December and after 1 month ko lang siya i-unbox, okay? So jokingly, nung nasa mall kami, sabi ko sa boyfriend ko, "Dear, I really want to have this K Love Derma." Kasi prior that, I tried this one sa kamay and it so nagva-vibrate siya nung pinatry ko sa sales lady. However, during those time, I'm still undecided to buy this one. Pero deep inside, I really want this thing kasi nakakapayat siya ng mukha, nakaka-lift, may mga for acne, and madami pang benefits of using this one. Even for wrinkles, pwede siya. So, surprise! Last December, my boyfriend gave me this Love K Derma LED Leaf Wand. So, I want to try it since my face is may mga breakouts ako right now due to stress and hormones na din. Kaya, I really want to try the effectivity of this product using yung specific light nila. I think that's the green light for acne. Okay. So, here's this one. It has manual. It says, yung blue light is for treating mild to moderate acne. Red light, it's to give a plump look. For green light, it stimulates fine lines and wrinkles. Blue light pala yung pang-pimple, sorry. And then cyan, it promotes tissue metabolism. Yellow light, it promotes yung mga removal of toxins. And purple is a dual frequency light which combines the treatment of the plump skin look and for acne. So, mas maganda siya, And then white light, threefold frequencies combining yung pang-acne, for fine lines and wrinkles, and for plump look na itsura. Okay? So, this also has radio frequency, yung pampapayat nga po ng mukha, and then electrical muscle stimulation, sonic vibration, and hot massager. Okay? So, nung na-try ko talaga to sa SM noon, sobrang nagva-vibrate nung trinay nung sales lady dun sa kamay ko. And then, okay, it also says na for facial use, you must use it for 10 minutes upwards. And for neck, it's 5 minutes lang kasi mas manipis yung sa leeg natin. Okay, I think there is nothing special naman na parang yun lang. It also comes with a charger. Paano ba? How to? Comes with a I think this one is wipes. Yeah. It's a cloth. Uy. Pamunas after using the thing. And then on the other side, it has a bag. May bag siya pala. So, you can also use this one for traveling kasi may hand carry bag naman. And charger. It also has activating gel kasi you cannot use this one na walang activating gel. And my boyfriend got me an extra para pag maubos ko to, I still have this one box. So, this product, sabi dun sa site nila, must be 2 to 3 times per week. Pero right now, I really want to try yung effectivity niya. So, I will do 3 times per week for 4 weeks. So, I will try it for 1 month, 3 times a week. And then after that, I'll just make 2 times a week na lang. Okay, let's try. So, make sure na malinis yung face prior using this product. Kaka-cleanse ko lang. And ito yung tsura ng activating gel. It's 100 ml. Okay. Hindi ko sure kung enough na ito pero I'll just add after na lang. Face muna before neck. Dami na ba tayo? Since may acne ako ngayon, I'll just want to try the blue light. It says upwards from sa neck area, mag-iiba na tayo dyan kasi wala naman tayong pimple dyan, okay? So, let's try color red. It's green for wrinkles. Okay. Upwards for 5 minutes. And then after using this one, dun sa freebie nila, may nabigay na parang cloth. You can wipe it with towel or wet wipe, sabi sa guide. And then store it, no? Hindi ka muna pwedeng mag-wash ng face mo for how many hours. So, if ever you, itulog mo na lang, bukas ka na lang mag-wash ng face, no? And then, don't add anything muna sa face para makita talaga natin yung effectivity nitong product na to. So, I hope tomorrow medyo itong redness ng face ko, itong acne redness ko, medyo kakalma na. So, this one is the charging port. Ngayon ko lang nakita while using. And then, I'll update you after few days kung ano nangyari dito sa pimples ko, dito sa may orbital area after few days. Thank you!